Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. Today we will talk about the creature on the land. As human being also live in land and animal also. Animals are living things. How can we know? Our lesson name is How Animal Lives, right? Lesson 6, and today is 7th September, Monday, right? Animal are living things. How can we know? Because a living thing needs that they eat, breathe, and move around. Means they move from one place to another place. They grow in sizes. They are baby, then they grow, and they also just like we learn about the plant. There is a life cycle of plant as animal also. They produce their babies. Animal live in various places. Some animal live on land, some live in water, and some live in on both water and land. Some animal can fly, birds. They have wings. They use their wings to fly. Animal live in different places because of their body structure. Allah has blessed them the things which also protect them from enemies. As most of the birds we see, just like parrot, it has green color. If it is among the trees, and nobody can distinguish that there is a parrot. And there is a tortoise, which its hard body protect from enemies. And eel, eel, it is also it saves from the enemies when somebody touches it. So because of some electric shock current, so people avoid to people or animal avoid to touch it. So it is from nature. God has blessed them these all things. Now we will share the things, pictures which we have in our book. As you can see in page number 28, book page number 28, there is different animals you can see: rabbit, cat, lamb, frog, snake, elephant, lion. So these are all animals live in different places, different places, and their eating habits are also different. In some are carnivorous. They catch other animal as their food, and they live. Animal need food, water, shelter, and space to survive. Herbivores can live only where plant food is available. Carnivores can live only where they can catch their food, whereas omnivores can live in many places because they eat both plants and animals. As you can see, there are many animals which eat other animals, small animal, or some eat plants. They are herbivorous animal, and some eat both plant and animal. They are omnivorous, and they live everywhere. Those who eat only plant, they eat only plant. They live among the areas or places where plants are available. Whereas uh, carnivorous animal live the place where they can find other animal, they can catch and they can eat their other animal as their food. And omnivorous can live everywhere because they eat animal, other animal and plant as well. And as some animal live in very cold places. They have a lot of fur on their bodies. As I talk about that the animal live according to their body structure. As we can see, polar bear have uh, fur on its body, and which protect him from the cold. That's why it lives in a cold places. Birds have very light bodies. They have wings which help them to fly. They have wings. These are the wings which can help them to fly. Fish have fins instead of legs. Fins help them to swim. Have you ever seen fish? It has, this fish has fins. These are the fins. These. These are the fins. It helps as a leg. They work as a legs, and with the help of them, fish swim in the water. And frog can live on land and water both, right? And frog has webbed legs with feet which help him to swim in the water. This is a webbed legs, and it is this membrane is attached with the toes, so they are webbed, and it is very helpful for swimming. As I told you, frog live both on land and water. They have webbed feet. Their webbed feet help them in swimming, as I have shown you earlier. Now, camel. Have you ever seen camel? Camel live in deserts. Desert where there is very little food and water. रेगिस्तान होते हैं ना, जहाँ water और food नहीं होता. They have humps. This is a hump. This is hump. जिसे कोहान कहते हैं, humps, in which they store food and water. Because they have humps, that's why they do not need food every day. They do not need to food every day to search. They have in their body. That is why they can easily live in desert. Animal having different eating habit also differ in their body structure. Because of their body structure, they eat many things. Animals that eat the flesh of other animal, flesh, ghost. Flesh of other animal have claws and sharp teeth. Animals that eat plants do not have claws. They have flat teeth to chew the plant, right? Their body structure is according to their eating habit. Their eating habit are according to their body structure. An elephant uses its trunk. This is trunk. This is called trunk, right? To break leaves and put them in its mouth, right? It works as a hand. A giraffe has a long neck. With the help of its long neck, it can eat leaves of tall plants. This long neck helps giraffe to take the leaves from the trees. Some birds use their beaks to catch fish. They have long beaks, right? They have long beak, and it is useful for catching the fish, and it is also carnivorous. Some animals have body parts that they use to protect themselves, right? As I have told you, Toto eyes, this is the eel which I was talking about, right? Cow, Cow, deer, and other animal have horns. Horns, you know, these are horns. Seeing horns. A tortoise has a thick body which protects it from enemies. An electric eel gives an electric shock to anyone who touches it. These things protect them from the enemies. These horns protect them from the enemies and other things. Okay, students, these were the overall lesson which we will talk afterward. Keep on learning things from this lesson. And the main thing is that animals' eating habits are different because of their body structure. Their living places, the place where they live, is because of their body structure, right? And they have uh, uh, naturally they have many things from that they protect from the enemies, and we will learn more in next videos, next lesson. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz. Take care.